Just as the wedding season is here, the home buying season is here. And a lot of first-time home buyers are asking me, like, what do you do to buy a home? What are the first steps to buy a home? I mean, how do you buy a home? Well, those are very great questions. And as an almost first-time home buyer a few years ago, what I did and what I highly recommend as your real estate professional is to speak with a lender. Why? Well, you don't want to go ahead and start searching for homes that you like and start being disappointed when you figure out that you're not really able to afford that. So to save a lot of your time, go ahead, speak with a lender, start planning financially, even if you're looking to buy next year or in 2 years. Start speaking with a lender, figure out what you can save, what you can cut out, those avocado toasts, and that way you can start planning and figuring out what you can do to start building that foundation and getting your dream home. Thank you so much for watching JTTV. If you have any questions, you know what to do. Comment below or DM me, text me, whatever you like. Thank you so much. See you next time.